Hello and welcome to Finnish with Anna. You'll learn Finnish here in small palatable lessons with a native speaker. In this lesson, we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Here they are. Let's read these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's repeat them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. In the next lesson, we'll learn some more numbers. That was it for today. Remember to practice your numbers. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next lesson. Nähdään, moikka!